Hey, hello. Uh, Tiledesk, your agentic AI operating system. That's what they are saying. So previously in two videos, we have seen how to set up Tiledesk self-hosting because they are open source. They suggesting they are multi-channel and they suggesting they are open source and they are because I have got the source from GitHub and I have followed the easy steps they have mentioned, and I have set up on my Google Cloud Docker system. I have 15 containers running right now on it. So that's it. I will add the link of that video over here. After that, I have created the other video where I have shown that how to set up the workflow, and this is my website workflow by I mean, and this is the web widget. So workflow by I mean, when any prospect or customer going through your website, when they open your web widget, what you want your AI agent to get details from the prospect or customer. So this is exactly what you can configure over here. This is just a drag and drop. So here all the question and what to do next when they select one thing, and what to do next other things when they select some other thing. So this is very easy to configure, just drag and drop, and there are very different elements are available to use from. And now this is the third video where I am talking about their one of the catchy and main feature which they have added as their title, your agentic AI. So if we search that rag word, then agentic rag means retrieval augmented generation. So what they are doing is, instead of directly rely on what LLMs has to share, where it is sharing, it might share old data, it might have AI hallucination, some wrong answers into it, because your service and your products are closed, and you know what you offer, you know how you offer, you know your product and services how they behave. So you will have some kind of architecture structure documents of what you are offering, how you are offering, instead of uh, it is available online everywhere, which LLM has access to. So this is what knowledge base does. Let me open here. There is one element, ask knowledge base. So what I have added in this video, uh, more than what I have previously added, which is I have added the uh, ask to ask knowledge base. This is what I have added here. So how to first create the knowledge base? Here you see choose knowledge base. Here you see LTCKB, which means let them connect, which is my company's name. Let them connect knowledge base. So how I have created it, let me go back to, and here is the knowledge base. You see here they allowing 10,000. Either it could be text, direct text, either it could be URL, PDF, sitemap, docs, FAQs. You can just edit from here. You can do that. Here I have done it. I have added directly link. I have previously added the document as well. So what I have done is, this is one of the Google Drive uh, unlisted URL. This is my website. This is the ChatGPT conversation link. So whatever the detailed documents or the service related uh, format you have, which you want system or LLMs to uh, go through before it goes to internet directly. Those URLs and those documents you will share here. And what this backend logic will do is, they have a reg, which we have discussed, retrieval augmented generation, which will parse through the document or URL material, then divided into readable which will make more sense kind of a chunk, and they will save it into the vector database, so that they will have a very clear and direct way to match and map whatever customer or prospect is asking, whatever their intent or context is. Based on that, because they are stored in a way that it will fetch very quickly, and it will have a very near match to what prospect or customer is asking. So all this thing will be done by this when you are uploading or importing your material. So once you do that, system or backend logic will chunking, database saving, and AI, agentic AI usage, they will do on their part. And this is kind of a one of a key feature of Tiledesk, I think, till now, what I have gone through. And now my knowledge base is ready. So what I'm doing is I'm using it as element. Let's go back to the flow and my Bindi AI agent, and I have added that knowledge base in default fallback. What this means is, let's say here, if customer is not choosing any of this, okay, instead of it is asking how, they are asking how LTC helps business growth. You see, they can do anything. So let's say let's think that they have asked something, some random thing. So I want my system to revert them that as well. LTC helps business growth by making it easier to understand what customer wants and need, simple communication, automatic insights. So what, from where this came, is from the knowledge base. So because I have added the detail here, now it is default fallback, because whatever the prospect is asking is nowhere into the flow, then it is fallbacking into the knowledge base. And because I have knowledge base available, I have selected LTC knowledge base, and I have imported the material into it. So now what this is doing is, it is using AI model, uh, which is OpenAI. In my case, it could be other as well. It could be Olama, Llama, VLM, Cloud, this many, DeepSeek, Google. So this many they are offering. So I have used 4.40 mini, and I have, even they are, even the feature is system context. So I have asked it to behave in certain way while drafting the response. And and what I'm doing is, whatever the reply is stored in KB reply. So if it is a success, then what asking is I'm asking is to share it directly. If it is a success, then share it, whatever the KB reply variable, over whatever the value of this variable, show to the prospect. Here is that variable. You see, this is how everything works. This is how the knowledge base, this is how the agentic AI, this is how the reg thing will shape your response as a business to your prospect. And this is how you can more rely on the material, so that you will have a less token usage as well as less time consuming. And most importantly, you will not face AI hallucination, wrong answer, or delayed response, or not matching to what exactly you are offering. So this is what I have found out about the knowledge base usage. In the next video, I'll try some prompt related, OpenAI related, some feature. I I'll try and explore and share it with you. So for this one, thanks.